Hello, YouTube. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. So let me get a sound check. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Everything okay? If so, type a 77 in the chat. All right, just trying to figure out something quick. Let me see here. Trying to find my video. I always double check to make sure that the sound's coming through okay and everything is good. This is Black Tiger Miner signing in. Okay, we're live. So this is Black Tiger Miner signing in to the Turbo Toe Turn Up. Let's go. This is Black Tiger Miner, and we are here for Turbo. So the first thing I want to tell you is continue to hold, right? Don't drop Turbo just yet. Right? Turbo consolidates. We are in a consolidation period. And you look at the 5-minute chart, and this is 009. So we did fall through that 1 cent, but Turbo seems to be holding pretty well. So this is not the first time this has happened, guys. We're not new to this. We are true to this, right? This is holy smoly, where's the 1 cent? So this is 1 cent. Looks like we fell below the 1 cent and now we're pushing back up. But keep in mind, we weren't expected. Well, I never expected to hit the 1 cent so fast. So if this is something you guys were looking at or expecting, that'd be different. But we are kind of ahead of the game here. So just relax, guys. Just calm down and continue to hold. This is that last resistance point we were at, which was 8 cents. And I told you guys we would push through 8 cents. And now we're hovering at this 1 cent mark. Let's check the chat real quick. We should talk about people should cash out as prices rise. Uphold has some restrictions for cashing out and selling. It is 100K maximum restriction. If that's the case, I might move Turbo to Coinbase. I'm getting a Tangent wallet. If you get a Tangent wallet, use my code in the description. I think you get 10% off, and I get a small piece. I get like $3 or $2 or something from that sale. I don't have an actual code, but I'm using the code they assigned me. They're supposed to be setting up a full BTM code, but I need to circle back with them because I completely lost track. They wanted me to use Tangent, not Tangent, Telegram, and that was before I knew how Telegram worked. But now I'm familiar with Telegram, so I might circle back with them to get my code set up. You got to check out KAOD. Just finished minting. It's flying in market cap currently. This will be huge. KRC20 and actual utility. Also, Turbo to the Moon, Moon Rocket. It's going. Shout out to Brian the Nichols, and we'll check that out. But this currently is the Turbo turn up time. So we'll check that KRC20 token you're talking about out shortly. But let's get back to Turbo. So this is shout out to Conan, the Kaspa. So this is currently just a video. I like that guy. Who is this guy? This Black Tiger guy. So shout out to the Roaring Toady. We're replying to L Bank. And I think there'll be a L Bank AMA this week. So keep an eye out for that. The hottest meme on Halloween. It's easy. It's that easy. It's Turbo. Okay. We recommend you visit Turbo Toadettes at jogging speed while you can. We don't have to run, but a snail's pace is no longer the order of the day. This is actually a pretty fit toad. This is Miss Infinity. To mimic the speed of Julius Caesar's victory, even ancient sculptures grasped the importance of spot listing. Turbo, Coinbase similarity to the wisdom of 90 plus exchanges. They understand the power. I saw, I spot listed Turbo. This is Black Widow. Phantom Turbo wants to be like Jay and Silent Bob. It wants to linger past its welcome. Even every CEX gets in the green to spot list. The Turbo Toad community is growing fast, over 40,500 holders and counting, showing an impressive rise at 1.06%, with almost 800 transfers and 69 billion total supply. And I'm not even sure what this says. Shout out to Michael O'Neill, his artwork. Really appreciate everyone in Turbo that's putting out content, memes, and keeping the uh, token alive and pushing the community. This is Conan of Kaspa. We'll talk about Conan later, trying to stay with the theme, which is Turbo. Have a great night. Shout out to Lodi Toady 24. And why is this guy's feet so big, but his arm is so small? I don't know. And where's he at? If this is the Earth and the Sun, where is this? Well, I like the artwork. I like the shoes and the I guess the microchip or whatever this guy's sitting on. I think that's pretty cool. This is Lodi Toady again. And here we go. So from the Turbo Toad token, Turbo is listed on Binance Pay C2C, which is, I guess, company to company or consumer to consumer. This marks a major milestone for Turbo, making it easier for our own community to send and receive crypto from friends. So I guess it's customer to customer. Get ready for more exciting developments as we continue to expand and innovate. Binance Pay supercharges Turbo with new C2C services, empowering our transactions, turbocharged speed and security. Binance Pay C2C, crypto to crypto, maybe. Fast, secure, instant transactions, instant direct turbo transfers. Actually says crypto transfers. So shout out to the team. Shout out to the Turbo Toad token. And look at currently Turbo is at 642.5 million market cap, down 0.005 in the last hour, up 0.008 in the last 24 hours, down 20.3% in the last 7 days, up 76.3 in the last 30 days. The last 90 days, we are up 54.8%, and for the year, 9,292. So show me a cryptocurrency that is doing better than Turbo. I'd like to see it. Love your show. Thanks, Bill the investor, and thanks for the super chats. Thanks for keeping the lights on at the Turbo Toad Central office. We really appreciate that, Bill. And your name is Bill, which is similar to my name. So we like it. I love it. Let's go. 24 hours, it was 0.009 as the low, 0.095 is the low, and 1 cent as the high. So we were in the 1 cent mark. So this is Binance. What is Binance Pay? Binance Pay is a payment technology that allows users to send, receive, and send crypto seamlessly. Send, receive, and spend. Okay, I'm tripping. I was like, why is this spend crypto? Binance Pay offers secure, contactless, borderless payment solution that is a perfect for everyday transactions. In the article, we'll explore the main features and benefits, step-by-step guide to how to use Binance Pay. Thanks, Bill, for the super chat. We really appreciate that. Really appreciate you trying to keep the lights on at the Turbo Toad Central. You're like one of the main people that are help keep the lights on at the Turbo main office. And I forgot, I'm going to send you out some merch. I just forgot to get your information, but send me a message on Twitter or X. Been kind of busy just trying to keep up, trying to keep from drowning in the information. So this is a quick video about Turbo Pay, Binance Pay. Keep in mind, guys, like I told you before, uh, Binance has lots of tools and services in the exchange that they are working on, but they're kind of testing Turbo to see what kind of adoption they get before they put too much behind Turbo. So if you don't use it, make sure you at least go check it out so they know that the Turbo Toe community is technically advanced and sophisticated and demure, right? And we are, is it demure, demure? I don't know. But we are here and we are serious about crypto and we are serious about Turbo. But we want to definitely get our information out and let Binance know we are not like the other communities. They are not like us. We are supportive of the community and of Binance. And we want to help rebuild the crypto community. So let me check this video out real quick. See what this guy learn and make honest money online. Okay. That's a weird name. Learn to make honest money on time. I'm tripping. If I could read, I'd be dangerous, boy. My mom always used to say that. If you could read, boy, you might be pretty dangerous. How to use Binance Pay tutorials, send and receive money easily 2024. And I was looking online and there's not a lot of current information about Binance Pay, which is also kind of weird. But let me know what you guys think about Binance Pay. If you used it, if you like it, if you love it, if you hate it, or how it works. This is a quick video for uh, Binance Pay. Learn to make honest money online. Let's see what he's talking about.
Today we focus on Binance Pay, where you will be able to send crypto at zero fees. So let's have a look. So you will be able to send money right here and receive money right here. The daily pay limit is $8 million. So the maximum amount of money that you can send every day is $8 million, right? So you can definitely send anything that you want through this platform. Let me show you the process click by click. When you want to send money, you click the yellow button right here, send. And then you can send money to your friends or family members or whoever you want right here. There are a couple of different ways how you can do it. For example, you can put their Binance email address. Let's say that your friend has signed up to Binance, for example, using an email address jamesjohnson@gmail.com, then you put it right here. If they have signed up using a phone number, you can also send it easily. You can also send money using Pay ID, and you can always find it right here. Or you can also send money using the Binance ID. You can find that one, for example, here when you click here to referral section, and there you can find your Binance ID. And once you have sent money to somebody, you will find them here on common payees, and then you can send money easily to the same person by clicking here send button, and you can also add payees right here. Once you have chosen who you want to send money to, then you decide what currency you want to send, and here you can see what is in your wallet currently. For example, if you want to send BTC, you click right here. The second step is to decide how much money do you want to send. For example, 0.001 BTC. You can actually send any amount you want. You can also add there a note, thank you very much, I love you, or whatever you want to send. Then you click here continue. Then the last step is to confirm. So when you click this confirm button right here, then the money will be sent to your friend or whoever you have chosen here, and that's it. That's how easy it is to send money on Binance Pay, but I will show you also how to receive money using this platform. When you want to receive money, it's really easy. You click here receive button. You can see the QR code, so people will be able to scan it, and you can also see your Pay ID, so people will be able to send money to your Pay ID directly. And here you can choose the currency that you want to receive. When you click here select currency, you can choose, for example, Bitcoin, and then you can also choose the amount right here. For example, if you want to receive receive 0.1 BTC. You click here confirm, and then it adds automatically into QR code this information. And you can do this whole process also on your mobile phone. So let me show where you can find it. When you want to send money worldwide with zero fees on Binance, you come here to Binance app, you click here more, then you scroll down a little bit and you click here pay, and here you will be able to send money and receive money. For example, if you want to send, you click right here, and here again you can go through the same process. You can send money to an email address, pay ID, Binance ID, or phone number, really easy. For example, if you want to send money to Binance ID, you fill it right here, and then you click here continue. Then you choose here the currency and how much money do you want to send. For example, if you want to send USDT, you can click right here, and then you can choose the amount right here. You can click here continue. Then it asks you again, is this correct? And then you can click here continue, and then you need to verify this, and the money will be sent. When you want to receive money, you click here receive, and here at the receive section you can see your Binance QR code, and people will be able to send money. For example, your friend can scan this and then they can send you money. So that's how easy it is to send money on Binance for 100% free worldwide. Now, if you want to learn to use Binance peer-to-peer for making money, selling cryptocurrencies for local currencies and vice versa, and make profit in the process, come to my playlist Earn Money on Binance and check out my previous Binance peer-to-peer tutorial. And if you want to see other ways to earn.
So that's an example of how to use Binance Pay. And with Binance Pay, I might need to set up my account so I can get money, or you guys can send me money through Binance Pay for Turbo. I'm just kidding. No, I'm serious. No, I'm kidding. But I definitely might want to set up Binance Pay. Trying to see here if there's any other videos on Binance Pay, because this video is from 2 years ago. The first video was pretty recent. Let's see what this guy's talking about on how to use Binance Pay. I'm pretty sure it changed up drastically because it's a 2-year-old video. So I don't know. Anybody is ambitious, you can probably set up a quick Binance Pay video, because people will be looking to see how Binance Pay works. But this is just me from the Turbo Toad main office to get the word out about Binance Pay, what Binance Pay is, what it does, and how easy it is to use. So shout out to the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, Turbo Toad Turn Up. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn Up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. What's up, Doc McLovins? I don't know why I want to say Doc McStuffins. There's a cartoon with a doctor I always think about, but it's Doc McLovins. Sorry about that, Doc. And let's play this video real quick.
Binance Pay. What is Binance Pay? Binance Pay is a user-to-user crypto payment service on the Binance app. You can use Binance Pay to pay, send,
And like I said previously, Binance is monitoring who uses their tools and how profitable it is. So they kind of go with the flow. If the tool is profitable and we are using it, and if the community adopts it. So keep that in mind. So at least go check out Binance Pay. I think you guys did check out the Binance Earn. And I hear from the dev team of Turbo that Binance is setting up or testing more tools. I didn't even know until the dev team told me, but there are several, I guess, tools, applications, systems, and Binance. So they're just kind of testing to see what we could use and how it would help Binance. Because at the end of the day, right, Binance is an entity trying to make money. So let me check this real quick.
and receive your preferred cryptocurrencies, such as BTC, BNB, etc., from your friends and family worldwide. It is contactless, borderless, and secure. How to use Binance Pay. Binance Pay is now available to all Binance.com users. Before getting started, please make sure you have completed your identity verification process. Now, open the Binance app and log into your account. Click on the User Account icon and select Pay. If this is your first time using Binance Pay, Follow the instructions below to set up your Binance Pay account. Please note that once you have created your nickname, you cannot change it. Do not share your PIN with anyone. You can top up your Binance Pay wallet with cryptocurrencies from your spot wallet anytime. Your account setup is now complete. You can now go to Pay and start using Binance Pay. How to make payments with Binance Pay. Click on Pay, scan the Binance Pay QR code, or paste your recipient's Pay ID to make a payment. You can also simply long press the Binance app icon from the home screen and click Scan. Check and confirm the payment details, then click Continue to proceed with your payment. If you wish to change your payment currency order, click Funds to Use to view the available currencies for payment. Click Confirm after reviewing the payment details. Then enter your Pay PIN for payment verification. Your payment is now completed. Binance Pay will deduct the payment amount from your balance according to the token currency order you set. How to receive payments with Binance Pay. Click Receive. Add Amount. Select BNB and enter the amount. Binance Pay will generate a unique QR code based on the payment details. Simply send this QR code or your Pay ID to your payer to receive payment. You may leave the Amount field blank if you don't want to specify the payment amount. After the payment is successfully completed, the funds will be reflected in your Pay wallet. Binance Pay, the crypto lifestyle you always wished for.
So I guess that was it for the video. I was trying to find a video
Building your
I was
online business?
looking at earlier.
Go to
What is this?
Wix.com and set up your.
So I'm just waiting for the file to load. Trying to see if we're glitching.
What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Turbo. Nice little ABC correction sitting at 0.010. Down
Okay, I'm trying to find that video.
0.63 on the day. Market cap 654 million. 25 on 147 million. So, as you can see with Turbo, we pushed up.
I love how he says million. 664 million. But I'm looking at this in this
One,
price
two,
video
wave 3
from
ABC
Kaspa.
correction. We have broken the A wave low, so we can see a straight push up from here. And of course, if we break that B wave high, that's more confirmation. I'm already in a long position.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual,
you can join my free Discord where I'm giving the signals. Click the link in the comments. But this is our pullback zone. So if we don't bounce from here, I'd imagine we'd bounce from this support area in between 0.0085 and 0.0092, which could also offer a nice long position for our friend Turbo. And then we push up in the wave 5. So take a trend-based swim extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3. If this were to be the bottom of 4, of course, that's not promised, then your wave 5 target would take you up to 0.0149. And from the current price, that would be a juicy trade of about 47%. It can also push up to the 78.6. And of course, if we zoom out for Turbo, our largest wave count, as you guys have been following along, we're already close to hitting it. We're very close, which is all the way up here at 0.019. So it's been awesome to watch Turbo see this big juicy pump. I loaded up on Turbo on this pullback. So very happy to see it. I'll continue to hold it. I'm buying 2 more meme coins today. Nacho, it's on the Kaspa network, as well as Kaspi, also on the Kaspa network. They haven't been listed on Mexi yet, but soon to be. So Kaspa should do really good in the bull run, and those meme coins will follow suit. So definitely worth looking into. Just know that they're very high risk plays. So that's what I'm looking at for our friend Turbo. If we look at Bitcoin, we broke out of this massive bull flag and we're just retesting it. So I do think we'll bounce off that trend line and see continuation back to the upside. And of course, if you measure your flagpole, you can take a measurement of the flagpole from this correction up here. And that will take the price of BTC all the way all the way to 200K. Well, that'd be amazing, hopefully. But yeah, we have broken out of it. We retested it. You can also measure the flag, take it to your point of breakout, and that would take you all the way up to about 86K. So that's what I'm looking at for Turbo and BTC. Make sure to sign up to Bitinix. This is one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades when you sign up through my link. It is available worldwide. No KYC, no VPN required.
So I was just looking at the title. So I guess this should be Turbos added to Binance Pay instead of listing. So let me know what you guys think about that. So this is our guy, Gassipers, talking about Turbo price manipulated by the team. So let's see what he has to say real quick.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So here it is, guys. Turbo. It has pumped like no tomorrow. It has doubled people's money. People got excited, and it has created this snowball effect. Obviously, right now we are cooling down. Okay. People are taking their profits. They gotta eat. They gotta, take advantage of what they made. So we are gonna see some new support lines for sure. Okay. But at this time, when we are going down, there might be some negativity going on, right? All the fudders are going to start now jumping in because this is the moment. This is the moment they shine. They never shine in these moments, yeah, when it all goes up, but they love shining in these moments, okay? So you get comments like this one, right? I screenshot it, which says, Turbo is a poop coin. It will dump way back to 0.005 price and manipulated by the team. The owner holds 13 of the whole supply. So, the typical stuff where they start blaming the owner, start saying that there are some bad intentions behind and so on. Now, put yourself in the owner's shoes, okay? You have a Binance listing. You have KOLs coming in. You have so much going in, and this thumbs up sort of proves the point. On top of it, we are just beginning. The predictions here are massive. Would it be wise for the owner, the developer, or anyone at the top to just end it now? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And I have heard these type of comments here, okay, at this point, at this point, at this point, and every single point. So this is just kind of a reminder to you. We are only getting started. This thing is starting to heat up, and it's looking very, very nice. The community is very positive. Okay. Social media account is starting to gain more followers. Okay. So they can start spreading the message, which is extremely important. I mean, if you go on, like, for example, socials like the X, you see it for yourself. It is incredible. 83K followers and growing. When people talk about like some specific utility, guys, remember, meme coins don't really have much utility. Okay, but they have a community, and the community is strong. When you have 2.9 million views like this, okay, that's pretty strong. Nearly 2,000 retweets, reposts, 5,000 likes, comments. That's powerful, okay? So what I am trying to say here is that the community is really starting to wake up. There's people joining. There's a lot of giveaways. There's a lot of interest behind it. So these type of negative comments where people are like, oh yes, we've peaked and that's it. It's over. It's done. Now we're going to all be scammed and so on. Listen, I've heard it at this point and at this point and so on. I have been covering Turbo for weeks, for months. I know what I'm talking about here. If you had been listening to my videos, if you were investing, you would have all been in money. Those that procrastinated, well, I'm sorry, but you got to take some risk at some point. So the excitement is in the air for sure. And just another reminder, the fudders tend to be the most vocal ones. Like people that make money. So for example, if you had made money on Turbo, you're not going to be spreading out this information everywhere. Like people just don't have enough energy for it. But the people that are just angry or just with very bad intentions, yeah, they're going to be vocal. They're literally going to be sitting here and copy pasting the message everywhere. So please open your eyes and understand that the truth is there. We are going into the most exciting time. We've got elections coming up in the US, so that's going to be swinging, and it could make us a lot of money. On top of it, Bitcoin's price is going to break 100K, I believe. So on top of it, the altcoin season and so much more. So it is up to you to really decide. Do you want to change your life, or do you just want to, sit there and watch others gain? Because yes, I have actually met people who are like, oh no, but I just want to watch what happens. I want to watch what happens. And then they get all angry because they didn't go in. I literally had people telling me here they want to watch. They want to watch over here as well. Well, guess what? They're watching how other people are making. That's kind of sad, how people are making money. So please start understanding the truth is here. The truth is that this is gonna, break this chart, and it's gonna go all the way to the moon. The target 20 billion, 30 billion, 40 billion. Really, these are the type of numbers that we're looking here. So we could be seeing like a 40x, 50x, 60x. These are some serious numbers just for like $1,000 investment. That's a big pump. So yeah, guys, if you've got any other thoughts, please talk, discuss, like, share, let's spread the message. And most importantly, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossip.
Yeah, I was just playing that video. I thought I had it muted. I guess not. But Turbo is being added to Binance Pay. And here's actually, we already did that. Dang it. So let me know what you think about the Binance Pay edition. And let's see. Is this? Oh, I just looked at this guy already. Let's see what this guy talking about here. Just running through some videos. I actually got started kind of late. I was in a meeting, so I didn't have my usual videos stacked up. So I'm grabbing a couple of videos in the process. So that was Gas and Peer and Invest with Jacks. And Gas and Peer is right. The footers don't say anything when it's down. Soon as it started pumping, all the haters show up, right? Armani, it's not too late to buy Turbo. I bought some and I sold it. And as soon as it dips, I'm gonna buy some more up, right? Buy it while it's cheap and ride it back up. But this is the Turbo Pay link, and we're waiting for these videos to load. And while we're waiting, I guess we'll check the 4-hour chart. This is the 15-minute chart. Looks like Turbo is pumping back up to that 1.1 cents. Currently, we're at a 646 million market cap. And what is that? This is, look at coin ranking real quick. So we got here, coin ranking.com. See where Turbo is. Because for some reason they have higher market caps, which I haven't quite figured out yet either. But we're just trying to see. Let me see if this. I'm just trying to see here what's going on. Okay, so this is. That's weird. What is Neo and Ordinai? Let me see here. Meme coins. Okay. And I do want to make a RWA video. So let me know in the chat what you guys think about RWA. But currently this is Popcat top gainer. So Turbo is at 682.9 million. Try to do that million, but it didn't come out right. Narrow 712. So it looks like the stuff that Binance listed pumped and came back down. And I saw this Giga Chad token, which is weird. Brett's here at 1 billion. So hopefully Turbo can push back up to the 800 million market cap to end off October. And why are these videos not loading? What the? That's weird. I don't know why it's taking so long.
If you're watching this video,
finally,
you may own Turbo. Turbo is a meme coin based on Ethereum that I actually own. And I like the history of how this was created. If you go on the website, you can see it. Basically, a guy went on chat. This is the story. A guy went on ChatGPT, said, make me a meme coin for $69, and then it did it. That's the story. It has, off the top of my head, let me just double check. I think it's 69 billion circulating supply. So circulating supply of Turbo. And this is available on a lot of exchanges. And yeah, 69 billion. And with this, it has got a lot of traction in the past 12 months. So if you were to go on a website, and this website is called Crypto Bubbles, it can show you in terms of percentage wise and, you know, the overall crypto market, how a lot of cryptocurrencies have done in the last 12 months. Now, in the last 12 months, so if I go now on year, it's just meme coins. It is literally meme coins. Bonk in the last 12 months, 13,000%. Mog, 8,000%. Pepe, 1,600%. Floki, 724%.
Do you ever feel like you're being watched? Hide your online life with Surfshark.
And if I type in Turbo, it'll tell me what that's done in the last 12 months. That's done 8,000% in the last 12 months. $690 million market cap. Is ranked 105 by market cap. It is actually up 97% this month. So everything is going up with this coin. Now, the question is, there's a lot of meme coins out there, especially on Ethereum. We know on Ethereum, the main coins are Shiba and Doge. They're the main two. You've got Pepe as well, but they're the main two ones on Ethereum. Okay. And there's only so many meme coins you can have, and there's only so many ones that will do, you know, go crazy in the bull run, because a lot will just fade out. There was a guy that I had a call with the other day, and I think he joined my free community, and he had 30 to 40 meme coins. That was his portfolio. And I tell people in my training program, do not have a portfolio full of meme coins. You need a well-balanced portfolio, and we talk about this in the community as well. Where can this coin go is the question. Now, this particular coin there's no utility. There are some utilities with meme coins. There isn't any with this. It's literally, and the thing I like about it, to be honest with you, is it's decentralized, because the guy created it and then just launched it, full circulating supply. People buy it, and then there's no kind of, there's going to be some kind of whales, but there's no kind of central entity with this. There's no massive company behind this particular coin. Now, one of the bad things about Turbo, to be honest with you, is the fact that it is on Ethereum, because we all know that the gas fees in Ethereum are high. So let's just say
high is an understatement. The gas fees on Ethereum is freaking ridiculous. I just had to throw that in there because he mentioned it. So I wanted to tell you guys, because I was looking at something else on Ethereum, which is weird because I probably should try to get it on Uphold. But I was trying to trade something else on Ethereum, and like the gas fees are ridiculous. I'm glad I got in a Turbo early.
You were to buy a few $100s of this, it went up, you know, in the the upcoming bull run that Ethereum's gas fees are probably going to be about $100, $200. That's what they were in the last one. Whereas if you were to buy a meme coin on some of the other layer one chains, i.e. Solana, Avalanche, Base Chain, you know, like Brett, for example, the fees are going to be a bit lower. Pardon me. However, with Turbo, I think that the exposure of it, it's on Binance, it's on MEXC, which I use now, link in description. KuCoin, Kraken, it's on a lot of the major exchanges. And this is only good for Turbo. Now, I'm just looking here, and the price that I bought it at, I think I've got roughly about a 3x on it at the moment. In terms of its all-time high, it is 0.013, I think, the all-time high with this. So this is doing pretty well. And I think the good thing about it is it's not had a bull run yet. If you look at Doge and Shiba, the main reasons these two pump is Elon Musk. He mentions Doge all the time. He mentions Shiba, and they pump. Another coin called Flowkey is actually named after, I think it's his dog. That's how they kind of pump. And if you look at Turbo in relation to Doge, Turbo is around a 27x away from Doge. Doge is a massive market cap, 19 billion. If Turbo was to get there, it'd be 28 cents at $19 billion market cap. And if we were to put in Shiba Inu, which I know a lot of other people have, being the second largest meme coin, it'd be a straight. I think it'd be a 10x. Don't know why Shiba's not coming up here. Oh, here we go. I've got it. It'd be 15x from where Turbo is to Shiba. I think Turbo can go farther, but ultimately the problem with meme coins is you just don't know. You 100% never know. So if you look at, I mentioned this in another video, Sui, which is the layer one, you can see what would add to that particular coin with the growing of the ecosystem, more places to use it, the future of Web3. There's a lot going on there where you could probably say, look, this could actually get to the same level of Solana. You don't know with a meme coin. You 100% do not know with a meme coin. Because if you look at it, it's similar level to Brett.
When do I realistically think
Turbo is obviously on Ethereum? You do not know how far these coins can kind of go. But what I would say is the best thing you can kind of do is set some kind of profit targets. Because if you have profit targets, you can layer out, you can ladder out at set targets on the way up, because you can just not know with meme coins. You just can't know how far they can go, how many X's they can do. So Turbo could go one way, do a 20, 30X, get into billions and billions of market cap, 27X up to where Doge is now. Another thing is it could run out of steam, a new meme coin takes its place, and it could go all the way down because it has done a high rise already. It could just fade out to nothing, and that is the end of it. But if you have price targets, if you're laddering out, at least you're taking some kind of profit on the way up with this meme coin. That is it for me. I'll be seeing how Turbo does in the bull run. If you have Turbo, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any meme coins, or if you're the guy that owns 30 to 40 meme coins, that join the community. Comment and let everyone know.
So that was Matt Lutcht, something. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about what he's saying about Turbo. And he's right. Turbo is still early. Like this guy mentioned Armani in the comments. Armani. But let's see what Ro has to say.
Turbo is going to be listed on Coinbase spot trading. What is going on, Turbo family? Hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful day. It is yet again a beautiful sunny morning here in Dubai. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro, and recently, guys, we've gotten the privilege, because of crypto, because of God, first and foremost, we have gotten the opportunity to fly out to Dubai just for fun, right? Literally on vacation. And I know a lot of us are after that financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom to be able to pick up, go anywhere you want in the world, and just have fun. Literally been here for the last week. And listen, guys, all of that is because I was able to make a certain amount of gains through crypto. And I've been doing really well. And I really want to share that with you guys. And literally, all my account is here to do is to help you guys make a 10, 20, 50, or even 100x play in this bull cycle. And one of those favorite meme coins of mine that we've already made a huge amount of gains on is none other than Turbo. Listen, I post 3 times a day. One of those videos you can rest assured is going to be Turbo. I've been doing it consistently for the past 7 months, even while I'm on vacation. I think I've posted over 200 Turbo videos till this day. I don't really know any other YouTuber who's putting in as much work as me for the Turbo community. So if you guys are Turbo holders and you appreciate these videos, let me know down below. Like this video, comment what your thoughts are on Turbo. If you're bullish, where you're from, let me know why I should visit down there, because I really want to travel this year. It's a huge goal of mine. Help me get to 10K before the end of the year, fellas. And yeah, subscribe if you're new, and let's hop into today's video. Turbo.
I wanted Empower's budgeting tool, and it came with a free financial checkup.
Empower showed me how to retire sooner.
Their tax and investing strategies help me grow my money.
Schedule your free call right now.
Empower. What's next?
And he's got it.
Yeah, boy! Let him cook! Let him cook!
Oh, what's he doing?
He's just being influenced by...
Right now is at a $640 million market cap. You know, we have come down a long way from that 700. We're around 800 million market cap, to be completely honest with you guys. And we have come down a long way from that, but that's completely okay. You know, things can't go up forever. They do need to come back. They do need to have a retracement, and that is completely fine in my opinion. If you guys are worried about that, if you guys are worried about these things pumping and then coming back down to these price levels, you're not ready for Turbo. You're not ready for crypto. You're not ready for meme coins. You're just simply not going to make it. I've seen, you know, I've been getting a lot of comments, and guys, it doesn't upset me, but I just want to say that it worries me for you guys. If this is your mentality, I am worried about you guys. Okay, we literally, guys, in the last 7 days, or in the last month, we're up 70%. Okay, we rode all the way up to 0.013, and now we're just back down to 2.098. And a lot of people were saying, hey, Turbo is, you know, for lack of better words here, is shitting the bed, or hey, Turbo is dumping, hey, Turbo, you know, is crashing. Guys, it's not crashing, it's just having a retracement. That's completely fine. That is how these markets work. That's how they operate. If you know the crypto you hold, if you have a good conviction on it, you shouldn't be worried, right? If you guys know what crypto you're holding, if you believe in it, if you know the long-term outlook on it, short-term price action, daily price action, you know, in the last 48 hours, 72 hours, that really should not stop you, or really should not hinder your confidence. If that's the case, you guys really don't know what you hold. You guys need a reality check. You need to research. Did anything change about the meme coin that I hold? Did a red flag come out about the meme coin that I hold? Did bad news come out about the meme coin that I hold? Did something fundamentally change, or what's going on? Why is it dumping? Or is it just because it's having a correction, because it rode up a lot and now it needs to recharge? And that is what I think is happening. Listen, we're listed on so many places, guys. We're listed on Binance, OKX, Kraken, HTX, BitGet, Bitfinex, KuCoin. I think majority of our volume, guys, is even coming from Binance, which is something that you love to see. And I believe that a Coinbase listing is not too far away in the horizon. Now, if you take a look at the chart over here, we can see that, you know, there were a lot of zones that I have marked off. Now, these zones are either demand zones or supply. Demand just being like a support line, and a demand and supply zone being a resistance. And instead of just a line, it's an area, right? Because we kind of trade in areas. We don't really trade in linear lines. We kind of trade in little boxes. And we can see here, you know, ever since we broke out of that 0.007, we really didn't have any clear clear resistance until about that penny mark. And after that penny, guys, it's literally price discovery, because once you broke it, Turbo did not know what to do. The community did not know how to contain itself. And now we're back down to these low prices of on just shy of 1 penny. Now I say low very conservatively because, these prices are still very high. Like if Turbo was to hit this price, 2-3 weeks ago, everyone will be losing their mind. I don't believe, guys, we're going to finish the day below this. This is a good time for you guys to load up, though. We're just under a penny. If you guys know what Turbo did, if you know how it ran up to 0.013, you would want to get in and not miss out on this, because listen, if you were to get in right now, I believe it's about a 37% pump back to the upside, which isn't a small amount by any stretch of the imagination. So if that's something that you guys are considering, if that's something that you guys want to do, hey, I would say that's not a bad shout. It is at buying levels. It's at buying targets right now. So don't make the mistake of waiting to chase green candles. If you guys are someone, or you're an investor, who likes to wait until, oh, let me just wait. Oh, why'd I do that? What happened there? If you guys are someone who likes to wait until, everything is good, the skies are clear, the charts are clear, the charts are bullish for you guys to load up on your crypto bags, honestly, guys, you are not going to make it. It's going to be very hard for you to make it, because in the same way that you need buyer's confirmation to buy into the market, when it comes time to sell, you're going to need seller's confirmation. Everyone on YouTube is not going to be telling you to sell your crypto. They're going to be telling you, hey, a super cycle is coming. You need to hold your crypto right now. But me, I'm the complete opposite. Towards the end of September, I told you guys we're going to have a market crash. I told you guys that we're not going to do too well in the first couple of weeks of October. And the reason I said that is because if everyone is bullish for something, if the entire crypto market is expecting for these months to pump, if they're expecting for as soon as October starts, we need to pump to the moon, then you guys know that we are not going to do that well. It's usually the opposite that happens. So when everyone is saying super cycle this, super cycle that, Turbo to $5, I would be very cautious, okay? Because I'm not here on my YouTube account to show you guys a lie, to tell you guys, how to lose money. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I've just learned a lot throughout the years of me investing. And the biggest thing I learned is I go against the narrative, swim against the current, to go against your flesh. Those are some of the biggest things that I have learned, guys. Now, one thing I am also very, very adamant about is that you guys do your due diligence and you do your research before you buy into anything, right? Even if it's Turbo, guys, if you
I was getting something to drink. Have you looked at Speedy? I have. It has the same attributes of Turbo, strong community. I actually did pick up some Speedy, but not a lot. But I'm definitely in Speedy, and we'll see how that goes. I think it's also an Ethereum token. I can't remember where I got it at. I think it is. It's got to be Ethereum, because if not, it'll be in my solo flare, and it's not. So it must be an Ethereum token. Yeah, true that. Way too many pumping this. Way too many pumping this. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. If Turbo's up, you don't hear nothing but bad negativity. When it's down, people get quiet, right? Nobody's making videos, nobody's talking about it. As soon as it starts pumping, the negativity comes out of nowhere. All kind of information made up, true or not true, just random stuff about Turbo. It's like, where y'all getting this from? Right? You guys ain't saying nothing when it's down. As soon as it makes a couple bucks, as soon as it makes us a 3x or a 5x, everybody is Turbo experts, like the Turbo investigators come out. What about this? What about that? Did you hear the Rex sold some of his Turbo? Do you hear that the team's crashing? Do you hear that the development team has quit? Like, all that's nonsense. Don't listen to the noise. Continue to diamond hand, and let's take Turbo to the moon. Let's get back to Row real quick.
you are a holder for Turbo, make sure you guys go drop them a follow on Twitter. Make sure you guys stay up to date with the latest information about Turbo, right? Don't just wait for me to come out and post updates on it, because that is not doing your due diligence as an investor. You guys want to be the first to find out if there's any red flags, if there's any bullish momentum, if there's any announcements that are looming. And one thing I love about Turbo, that even right now, guys, yes, the dev is doxed, but right now the community has literally taken over this project and we are doing the marketing for them. And listen, me making videos every day is W marketing. You know, there's Freeman Finance, who does AMAs every Friday, who hosts AMAs, who communicates with these people that the Turbo team want to make collaborations with, that is W marketing. That is W Turbo fans right there. And listen, guys, you guys liking these videos, commenting on them, supporting them, sharing them on X, that is also you being a W holder. That's literally all we need to do to build this community up. As you can see, Turbo AMA in 5 hours. He did it with House of Crypto, talking about content creation. Super cool because this adds so much value to the community. There's a lot of people who want to start in this. Listen, guys, you don't want to have just one pillar of income. You don't want it to just be your job income. Yes, invest and do this, but listen, you guys also need to learn about content creation, crypto cycles, different things that you can make money out of, because it's never a bad thing for you guys to make more money. It's the love of money that's the root of all evil, not the abundance of it, right? If you're able to manage it, if you're able to steward it, then God is going to entrust you with a lot. For the person that's able to steward a little bit, he is able to steward a lot. So just keep that in mind. What I see, this is what I see on the Turbo weekly charts: short term 4 to 5x and medium term 33x return. Definitely agree. This could be absolutely insane, guys. We're not going to stay below penny for long. So it's going to be very short lived. Again, October, it's going to close green. November is going to close green. December is also going to close green. New USDT pairing has been added to crypto.com. Now, this is their perpetual futures trading. You guys could trade futures on crypto.com, I think, or this may just be the trading pair, but I do know that futures has been added to Coinbase Advanced, and that means that they have now gotten their eyes on crypto, or sorry, on Turbo, and that means, guys, that a spot listing is going to be coming very soon. I believe that, somewhere mid-November, Coinbase is going to come out with a listing, because I know they do not want to miss out on their fees. I know they don't want to miss out on the volume that Turbo brings into the table, and I know that Coinbase is going to want a piece of the pie, because at the end of the day, exchanges are businesses. They're here to make money too, and any coin or any exchange that doesn't want to list Turbo is a exchange that doesn't want to make money. That's literally all it is. Also, Turbo is in a consolidation phase, but with recent bullish momentum, a new high could be on the horizon. Keep an eye on this one. Definitely keep an eye out on Turbo. Do your research, guys. Take a look at the charts and stay up to date with what is happening. These are the times that you guys want to be making moves. You don't want to be logging off the charts, leaving these markets because it's dipping, or you don't, worst case scenario, you guys are selling. That's the worst thing to do. Do not do that right now, because listen, the 2024-2025 bull run is going to peak around September to October in 2025. If anything changes, I will let you guys know. But as of right now, still very early.
Shout out to Ro, even though he didn't mention me in the video. That's cool, right? We still keep pumping. Thanks for your support. Thanks for pushing Black Tiger Miner. And I think Thursday we'll have a AMA with L Bank. And then there's an AMA Friday. So shout out to the Turbo Toad community, Turbo Toad Warriors, and everyone involved in Turbo Toad. We really appreciate all your hard work. Even if you don't mention me, it's cool. We'll still make more. But we're gonna keep pumping. We're gonna keep making videos. We're gonna continue to diamond hand. And shout out to Alien Print for the merch. And we'll also come with more merch. I think there was a deal for every Friday. So we need to check the Friday deal out as well. 15-minute chart. Looks like we are building volume, and we had a MACD cross. So we're coming back up. So just keep that in mind. And hopefully Turbo will pull out of this leg down and start pumping again. But thanks for your support. And I guess we'll do a KRC20 video this evening. Not actually sure. Got a meeting at 7, so probably 9-10 o'clock as normal. So we swapped it, did the Turbo because of the perpetual, what was this? The Binance Pay, right? We did the Binance Pay, so I want to get that information out to you guys. Go over to Binance Pay, sign up. You can send me your Turbo if you want to, or send me a couple dollars through Binance Pay. I'm just kidding, because I don't have a Binance Pay account set up, but I will look at it to see how easy that is and if it's worth setting up. This is Turbo Tracker about Bybit. So let me know in the comments if you like by bit, or if you used it, or how big you are on it. But thanks for joining the midday Turbo Toad turn up, and I'll see you tonight. This is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Remember, let's get back to the money and stay dangerous. Black Tiger Miner out.